So to get into the right university, that is the right one for you, it is going to take a bit of time. It is going to take quite a bit of planning. There is lots of information out there. But if I'm honest, there is so much of it, and you guys will be pretty busy, that it can be overwhelming. It can be challenging to find the information that's actually right for you. There's no secret, there's no magic wand. There is really only one person that can get you into the university of your dreams, and that is you. And that's kind of where the 12 steps come in. The 12 steps to university are essentially a step-by-step guide on the things that you should be thinking about and the things that you should be doing. Overall, it takes about 2 years to go through the process. And along the way, I'll challenge you to think about what you like, what you don't like, but we break that down into small steps. The first thing to bear in mind is that you just can't throw a university application together at the last minute. So by taking this length of time, it allows you to make really good and informed choices based on who you are as an individual. The 12 steps themselves, they're actually pretty straightforward. And really, they're the backbone of what I do every single day as my job as head of university guidance. I hope you enjoy them. And if you've got any feedback, any questions, please feel free to put it into the contact page. Thank you very much.